Welcome everyone. Thank you for still being here at 4:30. I know it's late. I was worried that a lot of people might not attend. But yeah, please scan the QR code to join our raffle in the end. You can win some AirPods 4. Good. I'll show it later again. So yeah, you've already seen me probably up on stage. My name is maya.schaeffer. I work for EvolveUX for 4 years now, and I'm the community and Evolve Digital lead. I basically do marketing and a lot of other stuff. And I recently was elected to join the board of directors for the Drupal Association, so I'm very excited to. Oh my God. Yeah, you will hopefully hear more from me. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. It will start in November, and then for 2 years I'll do my best to support the DA and get Drupal more out there. Yeah, this is a QR code to LinkedIn if you want to connect with me. Just a quick overview of what EvolveUX actually does. So we've been around for 18 years. Alex and Suzanne, our co-founders, founded EvolveUX in Canada, so we're based there. We have clients in Canada and in the US. We are experts in giving trainings, from Drupal trainings to digital strategy, accessibility trainings, anything, and have given over 5,000 trainings so far. As I mentioned, Evolve Digital, that's my little baby. I've been organizing Evolve Digital, formerly Evolve Drupal Summits. We just changed the name to make it a bit more inclusive and reflect the summit a little bit better. Drupal is still very important to us. And yeah, we have, I wanted to take that out, a strong partnership with Pantheon, also Acquia and other hosting platforms. And these are a couple of clients of ours that you can see up there. First of all, before some people have to leave, I want to make some promotion, of course, of my next summit in New York, most likely November 21st. So if you're interested in joining more of these types of events, we cover a lot of different topics, including Drupal topics and talks, but also digital strategy, communications, accessibility talks, AI, of course, and much more. So I invite you to check it out. Okay, so why are you here? You're here for EvolveUX, so it's going to be a fun, engaging session, a little bit different. We will have a couple of people come up here on stage who just put up their website live, and they just walk us through. You can explain a little bit what it is. I'll do a quick demo of Evolve Digital just to show you what I mean, and then we do 3 rounds of feedback. The first one is like really in order. The first one is what you saw, what hashtag you would give to it. First impressions, insights, like your instinct basically. The second one is what you like about the site, right? Something, it could be anything, there's no wrong answer. It could be the colors, it could be the taxonomy, it could be the order, the hierarchy. And then the third one is what you would improve. What are you missing, right? And the presenter is just accepting the feedback. They're supposed to take notes to be able to, take them home and either take the feedback or leave it. So that's up to the presenter. But their answers you may ask, but they won't be allowed to. Questions you may ask questions, but you're not allowed to answer them. That's type of a feedback as well, and it allows you to, get out there and continue the conversation. And also when you speak up, please maybe quickly say your name so we get to know each other while we do this as well. Also, oops. Okay, I'm gonna do the Evolve Digital website really quick. So I will take just 2 minutes to walk you through and explain to you what it is, and then we'll do the feedback round. So this is our beautiful Evolve Digital website. We updated it many times. There's a little video playing there. Submit a session as our CTA here. Also up on top in the nav bar. You can also subscribe to our newsletters because we don't have tickets open yet. So this is the way to be informed once our ticket sale goes online, that you get a notification or an email from us We have a countdown on here, 127 days. Sounds long. It's not that long. I'm already scared. The time is ticking. Then we have included a little video here to give you some insights on what it is like, so that you get a feeling of, what these events look like. So feel free to take a look. Then we have here some more information because we didn't really rebrand it, we just changed the name, but we explained why we're doing this. As I mentioned, Drupal is still very important to us, so we try to make sure that the Drupal community still feels very involved, and despite taking it out of the main name of the event. Our slogan, Connect, Learn, Inspire, why we chose it. Then our topics that we're covering. There's a hover here with some beautiful graphics. And then some highlights of past events you can scroll through. And then sponsors, if anyone wants to sponsor in the future. And that's the landing page, right? And then we have some trainings always before the summit. We also have an about page that explains it a little bit more, goes back into when we started. It will explain, we started May 2023, 2 years ago. Since then we've had 9 summits, so 3 to 4 per year, traveling through different cities, and past events. So if you want to take a look at what the past events were like, these lead to our old pages or previous pages. Yeah. So that's it. I want to keep it short. So now I invite all of you to start with round 1 and tell me what you saw. What was the site about? What would you tweet about it? There's no wrong answers, so just feel free to,
I like the pixelated arrow.
This is a positive feedback. First of all, just a hashtag of what you say.
Next round, you're the next round.
Yes.
No, I was saying I love the pixelated icon.
Okay, your hashtag would be icons in this case. So round 1, Diana, give us an example.
Conference page.
Yes.
Hashtag neon green.
Hashtag neon green. Okay, so it can really be anything. It's just to make sure you understood what the page is about. So second round is what you liked. So you mentioned the icons. Yeah, what was your name?
Barco.
Abaco. Nice to meet you, thank you. Any other positive feedback?
Nice and clean.
Sorry, I didn't hear
It's
you.
nice and clean.
Nice and clean, says John.
Like the monospace font titles.
Thank you. What's your name?
Steve.
Steve. And in the back.
I like the balance of text and media. There's it's not too much of either, and flows well within the white space.
Thank you. What was your name?
Oh, sorry, Toby.
Toby. Seb?
I like the way that the call to action glows. The green really pops in that blue.
Oh, I should probably repeat some stuff here. Sounds good. Okay, let's go through round 3. What would you improve? And now I'm taking notes because maybe you have some good stuff here. Yes, please.
I'm Diane from the FDIC, and I think the home page is a little bit on the long side, and the scrolling is quite extensive.
Okay, maybe a bit too long, especially if you have an agenda. It gets very long. Oh, no, not to answer. I just take the feedback. See, I'm not even doing it right. In the back.
Yeah, I would kind of echo that a little bit. Just better user space.
Better use of space.
A little less purple. Content.
What did you say about purple?
A little less purple, a little more content. No offense, I mean.
No, that's okay. Yes.
Ben, the arrow does take you to an old Eventbrite page.
Oh my god, thank you.
We'll fix that right now.
It does say it's closed, but yeah.
Seb?
Is your main goal for people to subscribe or buy tickets or submit a session?
Right now, I'm not allowed to answer. Yes, please.
Well, to add on to that, I'm not quite sure what submit a session means in this case. Attend a session, I would probably be clicking on it just to see what exactly, because in looking at the description, it gives me a little bit of, I still don't understand the term submit a session, like what am I attending or viewing or giving something? Because the word submit says something specifically to me from an action standpoint. And if you scroll just a little above, knowing people that have color blindness, the connect scrolling text you have at the top is very difficult to see. And I don't have color blindness, but it's difficult to see because of the contrast. It's very light. So someone that has trouble seeing blues, and it might not necessarily, if you scroll all the way up, it goes across the page on the, see it says connect, it's all,
Oh, this.
leaving now, yeah.
Mhm.
You wouldn't notice it, right? Yeah. And I mean, you know, it could just be some element that brings a little bit to the page, but if you can't see it, you don't even know it's there, like.
Right. Thank you. What's your name?
Here?
Yes.
Trina. So I would say definitely go over the 508 compliant, regardless for the blindness, that covers all that. And then for all the scrolling, they need to have a flutter on the side to say to the top, back to the top.
Mm-hmm. Good. I think.
One more thing is
Yes.
not obvious what it is. I thought it was an agency website, like your agency website.
No.
I didn't realize it's an event page.
Well, thank you so much. I hope you got an idea of of what it's like, and I hope you will come to Evolve Digital in New York. Good. So I asked around earlier. We have a the National Zoo website. We have somebody presenting a nonprofit personal project site. Then we have Maryland University and another nonprofit. And yours was?
I could show a quick tugboat demo, but I don't know if that's appropriate for this.
Let's start with sticking with what we've done. Maybe we start with ladies first, right? Maryland University, would you be?
Oh no.
So you'd rather skip it? Would you want feedback on your whole site? You could do that. No. Okay.
Are you saying you just want feedback on just the application?
We could do that too, though. Yeah. Sorry, I misunderstood. Come on. Yes.
We did this for video games. We did it for kimchi.
We did it for a mayor.
Yeah, it's true. So we've actually had very different. So we do this in Montreal. You can type it in the meantime. So we do these like every 6 to 8 weeks in Montreal for the design community mainly. But we have front end developers coming, and or like developers in general, anyone really from the community, to show what they've been working on to receive feedback and like improve. And it's a cool like way to getting to know each other, and they make friends. We go out for beers after, and we do that today as well, kind of. So.
I have to log into it. Can I do that?
Yeah, if you know the password by heart. Or do you have your own laptop? You can always connect yours.
I can do it here. I can just go with that.
What else do we have? Who would want to present potentially?
Here.
This guy.
Wait.
Both them first. This guy.
Your hand was first. What's your name? Yeah.
Barcode.
Barcode, yeah. I
Yeah,
think.
I mean, it's just one of my personal websites that I'm very much own thing I did for the website.
We can do that. What was yours?
It's portfolio website.
A portfolio website.
Yeah.
And?
The-
Oh, right, the Drupal Fit one?
It's nonprofit.
That was a nonprofit one. You
That
have-
was Virginia State website that we're about to redesign.
Ooh,
So-
that would be good. Okay. I'll be voting now. I don't know if we can fit all of you in, but what do you have?
Like the county of Tulare, the county of California. Just
Let's
redesigned.
give I could Drupal for Gov scholarship guy a chance.
Do a FDIC one if you really want it, but I don't have to do it.
We'll see. We'll start with this one. Are you able to figure it out?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, perfect. Well, then here you go.
Hi, my name is Angela Brownlee and I work for Facilities Management. I'm a front-end Drupal developer. And this is a module I developed for our department. To give you a brief background, I work in the facilities archival library as well. I manage that function too, and that's just a repository of blueprints or building drawings for the university. Prior to this application, we had an in-house application that was only available through our login, our network login, and it was only you had to request access to it, and it wasn't available to the community outside of facilities management. And with this, it's now available to anyone within our department of facilities management. And we can also give access to other individuals on the campus. So that has improved access to this. So I'm just going to go in here, and this is the interface here. And we have a listing of all our drawings here. So you can type in your drawing, or you can select the drawing and hit submit. Oh, but should have gone back. And then you get a list of all of our drawings here.
It's the opposite way. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Oh, thank you. I'm a old school mouse person. So you get all the information here. And then you can select, I'm not going to do it, but you can select some drawings, one or two, and you can download them. This information comes from an API that on one of our database servers, and the images are coming from Google. So it just shows you from Google. This just shows you a preview image, but if you download it, you get the full image. And as I said, you could download one or many. You can export the whole table here, and these are admin functions. So the normal user wouldn't see these. And of course, you have a log out. And you can go back. I forgot to show you. There's also an advanced search that you can search the fields and everything that we have. And that's about it.
Thank you. So, round one, what did you see? What would you tweet about it, or what?
I think it'd be nice if we could maintain the search above, and maybe it was there, but if you could.
Wait, this sounds like round 3 already.
Yeah.
we follow the rounds.
Hashtag
functional.
Don't forget your names, please.
Ben.
Ben.
Hashtag blueprints.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hashtag functional.
And your name again?
Bartle.
Thank you. Yes.
Ty is pretty easy to navigate, go through.
That sounds
easy.
Are we doing hashtags? Is that what it is?
Easy navigation.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's go to round 2. Positive. Andrew, did you say something?
I just said positive.
Yeah. I mean, it's
positive.
positive.
Then I like that there are thumbnails of the full drawing, so you have an idea quickly of what you are going to download versus downloading, because I imagine some of the images are going to be quite large.
Mm-hmm.
So that's nice.
It's straightforward. I mean, it's just,
Very straightforward. And your name again?
Steve.
Steve. Just making sure everybody remembers. Bruna?
I like the advanced search because I don't know necessarily the use cases for this, but like it gives the user a lot more options to be able to find exactly what they need.
Yeah.
Thank
It's
you.
impressive, just going from multiple sources. It's like views, but it's like an API, different data sources.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't hear him.
Yeah, can you repeat it?
David, and I said it's impressive. It looks like a views kind of view, but you're going from an API and from a different data source. So that's very nice.
Thank you.
Round 3. What would you improve? What are you missing?
Okay, the thing I was going to mention before
Yes.
is it'd be nice if you could click on, like, have it expand. If you're interested in a row, one to have the search persistent or update, like listing below the table there.
Okay.
Also, if you could have like a picture of the building that the blueprints represent, like you could expand that. Like if you click on like expand or you have it drop down, show a picture of the building, thumbnail the blueprint, and maybe where it is on the map.
Do you have your phone by any chance? Just to remind.
I
Take some notes.
I can remember.
Okay. Devin?
Yeah, it looks like part of the table is a little bit cut off. That's noticeable. Part of the end of the table looks a little cut off. I'm not sure if that's just a screen or.
That's because I'm in my view.
It's the admin.
It's the admin view.
And also, I think the table headers could be center aligned. Yeah.
That is an eye for detail.
Yes.
James, I was surprised to see the logout button in with the navigation for like the pager.
Yeah.
So if you scroll down, the logout button is in there. Like that surprised me a little bit.
It's like abandoned task, too many records, I don't want to do it.
Overwhelming.
Abandoned ship, time to go.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Wait, I have one.
Okay.
I have 3. So I echo the notion of expanding each record. That's awesome. But what I would further do is I'd merge some columns together because you have too many columns right now and unnecessary wrapping. Instead, if you just combine 2 or 3 columns into like a one multi-line column, it'll just breathe nicer and you'll have less of these lines. You won't have that project number column that's like wraps itself. So that's my main one. The other one is I noticed you're not using faceted search, or at least I didn't see it in your user interface.
What?
Faceted search.
I don't.
I can show you an example. It allows you to like add filters without typing filters, but it says based on the records that match your current filters, here are some other filters you might want to say.
Another, are any
That's
of
all I
these
got.
columns sortable?
No, not yet.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm not supposed to.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much. You were our group. Thank
I have notes for you.
you. Okay. Do you want to come next? Oh, yes, please. Okay. For those who were late, quickly, please make sure you sign up to win the. So, but you can go. Okay, nobody's taking a photo, so you can just type it in.
Okay. Hey everyone. This is just a portfolio website I'm developing. This is not a real agency, so I'm not promoting anything here. I'm a big fan of 90s style website where everything is unique and it follows a goal. So I just added this little theme switcher here where I can select an ocean. And yeah, see there are waves too down here.
Yeah, just take a skip.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh wait, it's not. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I have have circus, which is for a fun theme. And yeah, it's night time if anyone is feeling sleepy. Yeah, and the way I've done, so I have built the initial minimal website, just using like my own like just minimal styles, and then I wrapped all the CSS variables, and then I asked Claude to, hey, can you generate a forest themed? Just update the CSS variable to make it look like a forest or to make it look like a circus.
Wow.
And I filtered out. Yeah, I just thought it's just a fun thing that I can present. Thank you.
What you do?
Yeah, I'm Bargo. I'm a Drupal developer. I work with United Way. It's a non-profit in Alexandria. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Round one. What do you see? Awesome.
Hashtag fun.
Fun.
Hashtag old is gold.
Old is gold.
Default is accessible.
And your name?
Peter.
Yeah, no, I forgot your name, I'm sorry.
Toby.
Toby.
Customizable.
Yeah.
Good, positive.
The theme switcher thing is fun.
Yes, Catherine.
It's a good use case for CSS variables.
Yeah, I agree.
I actually really do like that wave effect. That's just fun.
Yeah.
The effects. What are you missing? Or other themes, maybe? Yes, Andrew.
I've always been a big fan of sort of going back to the simplest styling, like just have your semantic HTML, present it almost raw, and then kick it up as you go. But so I'm all for this. You know?
Thank you.
Yes.
Hashtag sticky
Yep.
Yeah.
So improvements. Yeah. What's your name? Yeah.
Billy, I actually have a question. For the different options, does it change throughout the day automatically? Like in the morning time it shows this, and in the evening it shows dark.
I have plans to make it, but not now. Like it's magic. I'm sorry. Yeah.
You can show.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Can we see the forest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toby?
Toby, I was going to say that I think as you scroll down, I noticed, I can't remember if it was on this page or a different page, that what I would say like the density of text, like on this page, between where it has about and above it, it's not, the blocking of the white space is not consistent. So you have like a lot of density and then a lot of white space and a lot of density, and it doesn't seem like it's like intentional. So I would say like to try and create the flow of kind of like what's going on there so that it's kind of like consistent throughout. So otherwise it feels a little bit jarring.
That's what I was going to say. I mean, just the white space isn't balanced.
I kind of like that actually.
Oh,
It
fair.
separates out sections, almost like their own.
Yeah, on
pages.
the dev page though, I mean, it's really dense. Here, I mean, I think more like what you're saying. I mean, you have big white space, little white space, but on the dev page, there's like none in the text.
James?
This one's a little hard to read, the text when it's down at the bottom. The contrast is isn't quite high enough, it seems like.
Yes.
I like it for EvolveUX. It's very like thought heavy. Well, this is a sign, I think.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. What's next? Nonprofit?
We can do the pandas next.
Zoo.
The zoo?
Yeah.
Zoo. The National Zoo? Okay, the National Zoo.
Yay!
I don't think I'm tall enough for the podium, so I'm just gonna sit down again. Hello. Hi everyone. My name is Mohammed. You can just call me Mo. I'm a web developer. I've been working with Drupal since 2012, so a long time. And I joined the Smithsonian back in 2018. And we were on Drupal 7 for a while when we first started, and we recently moved to Drupal 10. We launched this current iteration of the website back in 2022. So this is our website. This is the home page. We have a carousel, don't judge. I initially built this component just as a hero image, but our media team were like, we have so much content, so we converted this into a carousel. But you have the option of pausing it if you wanted to. Oops, sorry. I'm nervous. Yeah. So you can pause it if you want. We also have webcams on our website. So there's a feedback survey. So this is our black-footed ferret cam. Oh, where are the footed ferrets? They're outside.
Run away.
I know. Probably one of my favorite things is our animal page. So this is a typical landing page. You have like a shoe, then you have like a searchable interface of the animals. Yeah. So we do not have giraffes, so nothing's going to show up. Sadly, that's like one of the most common questions I get, if we have giraffes.
Really?
Yeah. So I added auto. This uses a faceted search. It's built in Solar. We're hosted on Pantheon, so it makes it really easy. And added autocomplete, which like renders this. So these like little view these display modes. So fun with display modes. That was going to be my talk this year, but I chickened out. So next year. This is an example. This is a meerkat. This is an example of an animal flashcard where you can get information, and then you can also see some animal news. And then this is an example of a typical article. And yeah, we have a few different kinds of landing pages, but you're welcome to look at it at your own leisure. So this is our education page. We make heavy use of card components. So yeah. Whew, opening the floor.
Okay, round one. Hashtag zoo.
Hashtag
Meerkats.
Hashtag adorable.
Yeah, thank you.
Hashtag animals.
Yes.
Yes.
Hashtag goats.
Hashtag pause button.
Yes, pause button is important. So.
Okay, let's do round two. What do you like about it? Yes, Ben.
Ben, I really like the integrated webcams. I think that's really cool. And the fact that you can go from one to another so seamlessly is really, really cool. Oh, and there's a whole picture. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, we have about 6 webcams.
Alex?
I think this is one of the well-made mega menus I saw on many sites. Because most sites mega menus they suck, but this is really good.
Comments? We're not fighting.
Don't be shy. You're in.
Alex?
I just love the focus on the animals. It's why they're there, and the website reflects that. So love it.
Yeah, Seth?
I like that the search bar had pictures, like I can suggest.
Oh yeah,
for sure.
That was so
Yeah.
Can you show that again?
Sure.
Toby?
I was just gonna say, just generally, it's you guys have such amazing content. Like on a lot of websites, people are trying really hard to show anything interesting to anybody. And everything on your site is so interesting. It'd be hard to work on your website because you'd be like, I'm used to look at cows for like whatever, like 2 hours. Not cows.
Chickens. So I was just at the zoo, so show the pigs.
Oh, the pigs.
Oh, wait, Devin?
I like the subtle animation in the pictures.
Yeah.
Like when you scroll or whatever. Like it's really
On the left hand side, yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, that's.
It's nice and dynamic. Without being like, oh, here you go.
Yeah.
It's also informative. It shows you what's going on.
very informative.
I like
So
the,
what?
like the use of display, what was it, in the search, like.
Yeah, it's like just a little pill that shows the image.
Round 3. What would you? Sorry, we just.
It's nothing bad to say. It's, I don't even want to speak because I don't have anything bad to say. That's an opportunity.
Improvements?
Yeah,
Thanks.
James. I didn't see it easy, like, to me, it didn't jump out to me, like, I want to go visit this place. Like, where's a button for me to get directions and, you know, oh, there it is, okay. Yeah?
Yes, that's really cool.
Okay.
We recently built this ticketing platform and we integrated Drupal, but that's a whole other story.
And to follow up on that, I just put up my phone and there's nowhere to get an address.
Right, that's what I mean.
Yeah, I think that's what his point was. I can buy a hat. What if I don't know where it is?
This is Catherine. One more very positive feedback is consistency of formatting of text across all the pages. And you're not afraid to have lots of text. So many people are afraid to have lots of text and then they put the text in a pop-up that's impossible to read on a mobile device. And so you've just gone, you know, we're confident these details about the panda are things you will read. If you don't want to read them, you scroll down. It's just beautifully consistent.
So you just jump back to round 2, but that's okay.
Yeah.
One more improvement point. Alex, finish that.
I think it's a very elegant and disciplined site. However, if it's targeted towards like a fun family outing, I mean, where's the parallax, where like design, where are the videos? Like, I mean, I know you have the cams, but like, I think you have to be a little bit more creative and playful given your audience.
Parallax.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wasn't that hard, right? Okay, I think Gutmacher, Devin, would you be down? Devin, yeah? I have to give Devin the priority.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
Let me speak it.
Yeah, See, there's a fan club. I'm sure Austin will have one too,
As long as you have Cantas, everything will be okay. Can we stop calling it Mega Menu? It's too close to something else.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so I was, my name is Devin. I work for Guttmacher Institute. I was going to do a before and after, but I have a password blocked here, so I'm just going to do the after. We recently did a site rebrand of our site, and this is what it looks like now. This was like a year-long process. We originally had we were Guttmacher Institute. We dropped institutes, now we're just Guttmacher. We had like this geometric logo that was like square, took up a bunch of space in the header. So we changed that, and we have a little, mega menu thing, and that highlights our most trafficked content. We tried to be intentional on what we put there. That's why the about is like the last thing in the navigation. And we do not have a carousel. We used to at one point, but we realized that's not the best way. So we have a main hero with related content. Here we go. We have this little counter thing and featured section, some CTAs, and just some more content for you to browse if you want. And this is a little React widget app that we have that we post updates like twice a month on what's going on in terms of legislation regarding abortion, because that's what we do. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty basic. We went from a bit more complicated layout to try to be more simple, more white space, let things breathe. We changed our color palette, like our site was teal, our links were orange. Yeah, exactly. So we went with navy, lime as our primary colors, and yeah,
Awesome.
Short and simple.
Thank you. Well, you know the drill now. Yes, kick it off.
Elegant.
Very elegant.
Thank you.
Hashtag round.
John says rounded. Hashtag.
Yes, that was deliberate.
Hashtag informative.
Yeah.
Don't forget to say your names, everybody.
Hashtag informative.
Okay.
Centered venue.
Centered venue. Could be, I guess it's positive as well. Do you like it to start with round 2? I see heads nodding. What else is positive? Seth?
Seth, I like first of all, great presentation. I like the contrast in the yellow. You have like right there the 26 million. I literally heard Diana whisper in my ear, "Oh my God, 26 million!" as you were scrolling through that. It really catches the eye for when you're trying to get those facts out. And the big yellow button at the bottom, same thing, right? Like call to action is very much there.
Yes, please.
Angela, I love that your white space is not white. I like the slight tint that you have there. There's contrast.
I think the Star Wars menu is very good use of organization and content. It's got the left side bar with that highlights and this one very well distributed.
And last one?
John is name. I'm just looking at it mobile and it looks really nice. Like a lot better. Not a lot better, but I think it looks better on mobile than desktop, which is nice because that's probably a lot of your traffic.
Yeah.
Search at the top.
Great. Improvements, third round.
The footer note like updated every minute. I think there should be a star before that.
For which one? Sorry.
Where it says like updated every minute before the women and girls students on the circle. Like,
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there should be a little star and a little Italian. Just so people know it's a footnote.
Could there possibly be too many fonts?
Too many fonts, maybe.
We only have 2 fonts.
Oh, only 2 fonts. Okay.
2 many fonts.
That's one.
Anything else?
Can we do 0 fonts?
Yes. Pardon? There's like some media or something like that, because it's like one link on this giant field, way expand that. Also, we said that there's a React component which is pulls content that's like data twice a month, which is kind of confusing.
Okay. That's this part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I saw 2 hands over here. Yeah.
I'm Neil. Great presentation, by the way. So on the homepage, I'd probably make it more concise. I find that there's too much text there. Although it gives, everything there and gives context. And then the other one is I'd probably choose a more, more relevant image. The picture, the graphic you have on the left side. So I would probably change it, but that's just my personal.
I feel that the related articles or the items in the right hand side, it is not very much readable to me, and maybe not having it bold would be better.
Good. Because we're running out of time, thank you so much, Devin. Okay. I know it's been 2 long days, so I really want to wrap it off ASAP. So thank you so much. I hope you will just come back next year and we'll do it again, and then you can present. Or you just come to Evolve Digital New York. We will have some sessions there. You can submit a session on our website. So I hope, let me just bring this back up. I hope you all signed up here